What is up, everyone? It's Ryan, living in Cambodia, making videos so you can learn and be entertained. Super cool. Today's video is about the Raffles Hotel Le Royal. I feel like I should be saying that with an accent, maybe Raffles Hotel Le Royal. No, that's not it. The Raffles Hotel Le Royal was built by French architect Ernest Hébrard in 1929. Hébrard is kind of a famous architect and city planner. He was most famous for rebuilding 𝑆𝖚𝓑𝓂. I feel like I should say that one with an accent too. Hey, I'm Greek. Come to my big fat wedding. 𝑆𝖚𝓑𝓂. No, that's not it. Thessaloniki is the second largest Greek city, but it was destroyed by the Great Fire of 1917. 32% of the city was destroyed, and Hébrard was hired to head the redesign of the city. Back to the hotel, its design was assisted by Jean Desbois, who is mostly known, in Cambodia at least, for designing Phnom Penh's Central Market. The original hotel had 55 rooms, and it was called just Le Royal. During the Cambodian Civil War, the monarchy had fallen, the king had fled the country, so the hotel took the name Le Phnom. At that time, it was a popular place for journalists to stay. However, in 1975, when Phnom Penh fell to the Khmer Rouge, the hotel was emptied and abandoned. It reopened as Hotel 𝖚𝓑𝓂, which means Solidarity Hotel, perhaps a symbol of what the country needed at that time. Then King Norodom Sihanouk was reinstated back in 1993, and the hotel took the name once again, Hotel Le Royal. But in 1996, the Raffles Company took over operations, and they added 3 new wings to the hotel, and that's where we are today. The Raffles Hotel Le Royal, which now has 175 guest rooms and suites. Here we are. Some Christmas decorations going on. That's a big bow, big wreath. So the main reason I'm here, like a fish out of water, is because a couple weeks back I made a video about Phnom Penh 23 years ago, and I mentioned how I wanted to go to the Elephant Bar and that it was just really expensive and I didn't want to pay $12 a drink. But to the rescue came the Foot Clan. Look how classy this is. Celebrating 90 years, established 1929. That's beautiful. This guy's gonna open the door for me.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sir. How are you? How
Good.
may I help you, sir?
I want to go to the Elephant Bar.
Elephant Bar is open from 2 p.m.
Oh, sir,
Yeah.
open at 2. What
Yeah.
time is it now? Close? Oh, 20 minutes.
Yes. Please take a seat for a while.
Okay.
When the Elephant Bar open, I will inform you back.
Thank you.
Please take a look first.
Yeah. It's okay if I walk around and look?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it okay if I shoot video?
Video is not allowed to take a video.
Okay, let's go. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. Oh, this is nice. What's this today? Yeah, I'd like to have a drink.
Yeah, please. So far for you, feel free.
Okay. It's okay if I look around too? Yeah?
Please take your time.
Okay. Wow, this place is so nice. Look at that. Paintings on the wall. It's really sweet. This must be like original carpet over here. Oh, look at that menu. That's pretty. So beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
I'll see a menu.
You see the menu?
Yeah.
Drink menu?
Drink menu, yeah.
This is a drink menu, sir.
Okay.
Every day we start a happy hour for 4 p.m.
4 p.m.
until 9 p.m.
Oh wow.
40% off.
Okay.
The cocktail, mocktails, Rabi, and local beer. This one is the Jacqueline Kennedy drink.
So this was invented for Jacqueline Kennedy.
Yes, sir.
You can see it's got the creme de fraises, de bois, cognac, and sparkling wine. That sounds pretty good. Something different.
In Phnom Penh, we have Phnom Penh Sling, and Singapore is Singapore Sling. This one is very good.
So that you guys invented this here.
Yes. You see the ingredient, everything is like a Singapore Sling.
Yeah.
Just to change pink guava juice and pineapple juice. Singapore Sling we have pineapple juice. Phnom Penh Sling we put guava juice.
Okay, I like
Yeah,
guava
this-
juice.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, I'll try this one.
You try this?
Yep. Oh, wow.
This one is naan.
Nice.
Naan and wasabi, green wasabi.
Okay, thank you. Wasabi cashews. Thank you very much. That's really good.
You put it chin. This one is elephant bar chin.
A little bit of that. Touch more. Beautiful. Thank you very much. Wow. That's so nice. All right, let's try this thing. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. Wow. Top-notch cocktail.
How is it?
It's very good. Yeah.
No sweet.
No, it's perfect. I like it. I like it a lot. This place is classy, man. Look at the touches on the bar. Elephant trunk holding this brass rail. Like, I love the solid brass rail on a bar. That's just so class. And the hand-painted elephants. And this thing's it's really cool. So I mentioned that this is possible because of the Foot Clan. Some people who were willing to donate a little bit of money so I could have a couple of good drinks. I want to shout them out. Gregory A, Jeremy L, Chris J, at Bob Jackson 4720, and at Verge. The last two were super thanks on YouTube, and the other one were donated through my Buy Me a Coffee on my website. So big thanks to them. Because of these brave heroes, we're getting crunk tonight. Maybe not that crunk, this one was $18. So, you know Van Da?
Vanda?
Van Da, the famous rapper, singer, musician, Cambodia.
Vanda.
Yeah. Does he come in here?
Yeah. Actually comes one time, maybe 2 years ago.
Oh yeah?
They come to like. Kaf Kaf Gin Tonic.
nice. Beautiful. Well, that was really cool. I love that. Beautiful, just probably one of the most beautiful bars I've ever been to. Here it is right here. You can see the outside of it. Wish I got to explore the hotel a little bit more. It looks so beautiful. But for now, I'm signing off. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Merry take care and comb your hair. I'm out.